Hello, welcome to my camera Obscura video. This one you'll see a room size camera Obscura created. So we'll clear the window, stick an aperture in a cardboard with a circle cut out of it, and then we fit tin foil to the windows. Just wet the windows with a paintbrush with water on. The tin foil sticks to that, and then after you're happy that you've got most of it covered, you can turn the lights off, see where the rest of the light leaks are, before going back around again with some tape, which you'll see in a second. The aperture is too large at the moment, so I do put a slightly smaller aperture on it. The size of aperture makes a difference in terms of sharpness and how much light you get in there as well. You can see the smaller aperture there. This is the room, it's lightly painted. The furniture will be left there, but I do move my camera bag. This is the outside view showing my car and the cars going past. And then we look around inside the room and you can see the sky going across the floor of the room. If we switch to a video, it's difficult to see because my phone isn't brilliant, but you can see cars going past on the wall. With a long exposure photo, you pick up more information than you do with a video. So this is me standing outside now with the camera inside doing 5-second pictures. You can see me stood out on the yard there, and then this is one closer to the window, a 5-second shot, and then I flip the image upside down. This is what it looks like from the outside, and then go through the apertures, and that's a nighttime view. I haven't got any photographs for that because it didn't come out particularly well. And then when you're finished, you just break it all down by taking the silver foil off, putting it in the recycling, and then you just get rid of the cardboard. Got some images coming up. There's a ghostly image sat on one of the cupboards. This is my dad's old room, and he died in March, so I felt ghostly images seem to fit somehow. Bit creepy for some people, but I like these. I messed about with noise and stuff in Adobe Lightroom. This is a composite of two images. One where I was knelt in front of the drawers, and one when it was open. There's a shadowy hand on the right hand side of this one, and then this one is just to demonstrate what it looks like when you flip the image, so you can see upside down. You can see the road is the right way up, the cars are the right way up, and everything else